Good morning, guys. Sure, you had a wonderful night. So, this is my first trade for today. I just took a buy on Australian dollar card, and in this video, I just want to share with you the reason I took this trade. Okay, so let's start with the daily time frame. Okay, so yesterday was Monday. As you can see, Monday candle closed bullish. This candle looks like a spinning bottom, right? Looks like an hammer, but this is not a valid hammer. But the fact that the candle closed bullish indicates that buyers are showing up strong in the market. And another thing you need to also notice is that before the formation of this bullish candle, we have had several candles in formation indicating that the trend is about to change from bearish to bullish. As you can see, at this point we had an hammer, a bearish hammer, okay, and if this next candle had closed bullish, that would have been a confirmation that buyers are showing up strong in the market, that the momentum is increasing. But unfortunately, the next candle closed bearish, and it closed as an inverted hammer. Inverted hammer is also a bullish reversal pattern. If this inverted hammer was bullish, we would have considered change in trend from bearish to bullish. Would have considered buying, okay, but it closed bearish. We can't jump in when all that is printing on the chart is bearish candle. If you want to buy, there has to be a bullish candle. A bullish candle must form before we buy. So this was the first candle that formed after several pattern indicating that the trend is about to change. So this closed bullish. Now after the close of yesterday candle, let's go down to 4 hours to see how the candle closed. Let's go down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, we should have a bullish reversal pattern on 4 hours. Okay, if a bullish reversal pattern has formed on 4 hours, we can go in with that. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. So you can see what we had on 4 hours. At this point, you can see at this point, you can see this is an hammer. This is an hammer. If we were just trading the 4-hour time frame, one would have executed a buy trade after the formation of this hammer. Okay, so this is an hammer indicating change in trend. Okay, now before the formation of that hammer, we had a bearish candlestick. Yeah, this was the last bearish candlestick before the formation of that hammer. Okay, this was the last bearish candle. Okay, yes, one would have entered at this point. Okay, one would have entered by at this point, but if you had missed this point, the next opportunity will be when the market closes above the high of this last bearish candle before the formation of this hammer. Okay, if the buyers are able to push price above the high of this bearish candlestick, that tells me that there are more demand, okay, for Australian dollar. There are more demand for Australian dollar. Okay, so it tells me more demand than supply. Okay, so and when there is more demand, what happens to price? Price is expected to go up. So you can see this is the first candle that closed above the high of this previous bearish candle. You can see that. So that's the reason I took a buy. You can see my entry level, and this is my stop loss level. Okay, anything that makes price drop to this level, then I should be out of the trade. That tells me that supply is increasing. Supply is increasing, so I should exit the trade. That's why my stop loss is at this level. Anything that makes price drop to that level, then there's a high probability that price will keep going down. So I don't want to hold on to my buyers or buy trade when the trade is already going in the opposite direction. I have to exit and take that small loss. Okay, now if we go down to daily, we also notice that this level was a previous support in the past. Let's go to daily. Let's go back and see on the daily. You can see if you go back here, you would see that it was a support in the past. You can see where price is at the moment. It was a support in the past, support at this point, support at this point. If you still go back, you would see, okay, you can see resistance, turn support, resistance, turn support. So those are the reasons, okay? Those are the reasons I took a buy I executed buy on Australian dollar card. My first trade for today. Okay, I'm expecting bearish move on GBP/JPY. I'm still waiting for a pullback on GBP/JPY. Okay, let's see GBP/JPY. Okay, I'm expecting a pullback on GBP/JPY. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, I'll be up by 10 a.m. for live market analysis session. Don't miss it.